Hello, this is Lisa for Embrilliance, and today we have a video that we've created to help those that have the Designer's Gallery EmbroideryWorks software transition into the Embrilliance platform. We've outlined some steps in this video, and the very first thing that you're going to want to do is to get your serial numbers handy for your EmbroideryWorks software. Now, these can be found in your Designer's Gallery software. So if you already have this installed on your computer, you just need to open up your program, go up here to the top menu where it says Help, and under Help it says Serial Numbers. And when you choose this, it opens a dialog box that has all of your serial numbers listed for you. Take a few moments to write them down carefully because you will need to add them into your Embrilliance platform once we get to that step in the process of transitioning. Now, videos are all well and fine, but we have also created a PDF file that has all these steps outlined so that you don't have to stress or pause or accidentally skip any of these steps. We have created a PDF file that you can download from the link in the comments below, and it has all these instructions step by step so that you can seamlessly transition into your Embrilliance platform. Now, the first thing, once you have your serial numbers, you'll want to make sure that you download all of the available files from the Embrilliance website. This is how you get the program onto your computer. Now, you'll want to go to the Embrilliance website and click on the Downloads link to get to the resources available to you. First off, you need to go to the Embrilliance Platform section and download the installation file that is for your operating system. This is a full installation file, and in the future, it will update your installed programs. So become very familiar with going to the Downloads page and finding the installation file for your operating system. Now, you already may be familiar with EmbroideryWorks software, but things may be a little bit different with different buttons and different locations of things in the Embrilliance platform. So we highly recommend that you download the PDF file for either Mac or Windows so that you have the most current up-to-date manual for your program. Since this is a new version, there may be things that you don't currently have in your software, and the manual is the best place to get the resources available to you. While you're on our downloads page, you'll want to scroll down to where we have the Go Applique collection. This is important because your EmbroideryWorks serial number also activates or authorizes the AccuQuilt Go libraries. Just like you had to install them in EmbroideryWorks, you need to download these files from the Embrilliance website so that you can install them into your Embrilliance platform. You'll also notice below that we have other resources that available to you as far as links to video playlists and projects, etc., that you may find interesting that you didn't know were available to you. So we do invite you to download these files and check them out. Next up, you're going to want to actually install the program that you downloaded from our website. You go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the installation file to run the installation. This will get you the program installed on your computer, and usually the final step is that the program will open for you. As soon as you open the software, it's going to prompt you for a serial number. You wrote these down earlier, so make sure you type them in exactly as you wrote them down from your EmbroideryWorks. Click on the Set button after each one so that it is actually registered to the program. If you own more than one EmbroideryWorks or Designer's Gallery software, enter them in one right after another, clicking Set in between each one, and when you are finished, click on the Done button so that your program will open. Once you've added your serial numbers and click Done, your software opens with all of your features and functions activated from your serial numbers. Now it's time to add the AccuQuilt Go dies that you downloaded. I have them here in a folder on my desktop. Based upon the instructions, that's where I downloaded them to. And to install them, all I need to do is select all of them at one time click, hold, drag, and drop them onto my open hoop in my program. And when I release my mouse button, we will get confirmation screens saying that each one of the libraries has been installed. And because I have the EmbroideryWorks serial number added into my program and I have it authorized, all of these libraries are available to me under the Merge Library design catalog, just like they were available for you in the EmbroideryWorks software. Now, while we're hanging out here in the program, or have our things installed, before we get any further, you want to make sure that you register your software. This is done by going to either the Help About window in Windows, or in Mac, you're going to want to go to the Embrilliance About Embrilliance window. This will open up a dialog that will have a button that says Registration or Register on it. Click on that button and fill it out accurately with your name, address, and email address so that all of the serial numbers that you had previously registered with your Designer's Gallery software are now sent in to the Embrilliance registration database so that they have access to your serial numbers in case you need for them to send them to you. One of the questions that we get asked is how someone can transfer mapped fonts or installed BX fonts that you may already have in your EmbroideryWorks software. How do you transfer those from EmbroideryWorks into the Embrilliance platform? Now, we have a step-by-step video that shows you this on our YouTube channel, and we'll include the link below, and the link is included in those PDF instructions on how to transfer library files. However, and just to show you how easy it is, all you need to really do is you start in your Designer's Gallery software, go to the Utility menu and choose Open Library Folder. This will open the exact location in either Windows or Mac in your operating system to the folders that belong to your Designer's Gallery EmbroideryWorks software. The folder you're going to pay attention to is the one called Fonts. All you're going to want to do is select this folder and drag and drop it to an empty USB stick. This will copy the contents, all those fonts that you've already mapped or you have installed in your Designer's Gallery software. Once you have them copied onto the USB stick, you're going to open your Embrilliance software. Again, go to Utility, Open Library Folder, and copy the fonts folder from the USB into that new location. Once you restart your Embrilliance program, it will have all of the fonts as well as all of the AccuQuilt Go libraries and everything that you had available to you in EmbroideryWorks, but now in the Embrilliance platform. The only difference is that the buttons are a different color and you may have some new features. And what's wrong with that? Hopefully this will help you get through the transition from EmbroideryWorks to the Embrilliance platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our customer support. They are available on our website. If you go to Embrilliance.com and click on Contact Us, send us a message and we will be more than happy to help you walk through any problems that you happen to have. Thank you for spending some time with us today. Be sure to check out the other videos that we have on our Embrilliance YouTube channel, as we hope to be a great resource in continuing your embroidery customizing and digitizing adventures. Thank you.